मैम, आपका पर्स है।
जो हर मौसम में हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं।
मैम, अच्छी रेटिंग दे दीजिएगा।
Hey guys, this is a video ad from Gits Food in the name of Thank You Bhaiya. This ad has been created in resonance with the Raksha Bandhan festival, and they're trying to promote their brand as well. So in this, you'll see how the product gets integrated into a story, and then how the story builds up to the end where the product is revealed. So they're just touching the emotions that you might be feeling during this Raksha Bandhan festival, and this is where the flavors of sweetness comes in. So this is a great ad that I saw, so I was like, let's share it here as well, so you guys can also see it. So I'll play it from the start. You can okay, let's see.
आपका लोकेशन आ गया। मैम 5 स्टार रेटिंग दे दीजिएगा।
5 स्टार रेटिंग चाहिए।
जो बिना कहे अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाते हैं।
मैम, आपका पर्स है।
जो हर मौसम में हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं।
मैम, अच्छी रेटिंग दे दीजिएगा।
मैम वो डोर लॉक सही कर दिया है, अब कोई रिस्क नहीं।
और जो भरोसा दिलाते हैं कि सब ठीक है।
मैम रेटिंग।
टाइम के साथ उन्हें थैंक यू बोलने का तरीका रेटिंग्स में बदल गया, पर हमारा ख्याल रखने वाले वो भैया
1 मिनट, ये आपके लिए।
आज भी उतने ही स्पेशल है।
थैंक यू भैया।
अरे मैम,
आज रक्षाबंधन है, मना मत करिए प्लीज।
गुलाब जामुन इज एवरी भैया's फेवरेट। इस रक्षा बंधन उन्हें बोले थैंक यू गिफ्ट से।
So what a great ad they have put up here, as you can see. So it was a great ad. You will see.
जिम्मेदारी निभाते हैं।
So they have just the Bhaiya version of it, as in you will resonate with the Bhaiya element. Also the memories, as in the nostalgic thing you will see here, is earlier we used to share things with people who we meet, but now that it has moved to ratings, as this gig workers try to help us throughout the day. So they are touching that nostalgic area of psyche as well. So it is very well played, and the product gets integrated towards that. And this ad was run, and the direction it was moving was basically, when you click on the ad, you will land on the Blinkit Blinkit website or the app that you have, and then you can order from there. So a very good way to take the audience which is warmed up directly to the platform where they can order from. So it was a great ad, amazing masterpiece, this Raksha Bandhan. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one.